Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to project details in ZBrush. We'll start by understanding the core concept of detail projection, which is essential for transferring intricate surface information from a high-resolution sculpt onto a new, often lower polygon, mesh. This technique is invaluable for maintaining your artistic work while optimizing models for various applications, such as game development or animation. It ensures your detailed work is preserved across different mesh iterations. Before projecting, proper model preparation is key. First, load both your high-detail source mesh and your new retopologized target mesh as separate subtools. It's crucial to align them as closely as possible in three-dimensional space to minimize projection errors. Next, subdivide your target mesh several times, typically to a polygon count similar to or slightly higher than your source, to provide enough geometry for the projected details to be captured accurately. Now, let's execute the projection. Select your target mesh in the Subtool palette. Navigate to the Tool menu, then to the Project submenu, and click Project All. This will transfer details from all other visible subtools. For more control, especially on complex areas, utilize the ZBrush brush. This brush allows you to manually paint and project details from one mesh to another, offering precise control over specific areas that might need extra attention. After projection, it's vital to refine your results. Carefully inspect the newly projected mesh for any artifacts, spikes, or missing details. Often, minor imperfections can be smoothed out using standard sculpting brushes like the Smooth brush. If larger issues persist, consider adjusting your projection distance settings or reprojecting specific problematic areas using the ZBrush brush. This iterative process ensures a clean and accurate transfer of all your hard-earned details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.